Aventus is a mild yet dynamic fragrance that opens with a fresh and zesty blend of bergamot, lemon, black currant, and crisp apple, delivering an invigorating burst of fruity brightness. A subtle hint of pink pepper adds warmth and spice to the top notes. In the heart, tropical pineapple combines with earthy patchouli and the floral elegance of Moroccan jasmine, creating a rich and sophisticated middle. The fragrance settles into a woody, comforting base of musk, oak moss and cedarwood with a touch of amber for warmth and sweetness, evoking the essence of summer in a balanced and inviting way. Longevity. Excellent. Aventus lasts 8 to 10 hours on clothing due to its well-balanced blend of fruity and woody notes. Sillage. Moderate to strong. It projects well, especially in the initial stages, with a noticeable and pleasant trail. Projection. Strong in the opening with the fresh zesty top notes making an immediate impact. As it dries down, the projection becomes more subtle but still noticeable within arm's length. Versatility. Highly versatile. Suitable for both day and night and works well in all seasons, although it shines in warmer weather due to its fresh and fruity profile. Season. Ideal for spring and summer due to its fresh, fruity and airy composition, but also works well in fall with its rich woody base notes. Style. Aventus embodies a luxurious and sophisticated style with a balance of vibrant fruity and woody elements. It gives off a sense of confidence, elegance and timeless appeal. Mood. Confident, vibrant and sophisticated. Aventus evokes an uplifting and invigorating energy, perfect for someone seeking a refined and versatile signature scent. Type. Aventus falls under the Chyper fruity fragrance category. Its distinctive blend of fresh citrus fruity notes and a rich woody base gives it a versatile and dynamic scent profile. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.